So like installing SQL Server using configuration file. Configurationfile.ini file is generated here first time when we run the setup. This file is generated. Now by using this file we can install the next instances. Multiple instances, how many instances we need. So first is here like first time we have to make some changes in this file, then we can use this file for installation. Check here, this file is there by default in these locations here. C program files, Microsoft SQL Server 120 means depends on version number, either 120 or 130 depends on version number. So 2014 I am installing, that's why 120. 12.0 version it is, that's why 120. Check here, then setup bootstrap log. After that here we can see here in the latest folder, we can see that file in these folders. See here it is the configurationfile.ini file is it. So you see here, this is SQL Server 2014 configuration file, action is install. Basically this is what installation file for 2014. So other parameters are there. So first time we have to make change some parameters. Next time onwards we can use the same file. Observe from here, see, after taking configuration file from this folder, with notepad I am opening the file. After opening the file, make the following changes. So some changes we have to make here in this file to use this file to install SQL Server. Some necessary changes we have to make. So observe what are the necessary changes I am making. One is here. First one here I am saying setup quit equal to true. I am saying by default false is it. So I will say quit equal to true. Means what, we won't get the wizard. Next wizard we won't get. First change here, quit equal to true. By default false is it. So first I have to make quit equal to true. Then one more change here, UI mode. UI mode is equal to normal is it. Normal. So we have to delete this parameter. UI mode normal is there. I will delete that parameter. Okay, UI mode. Check here. First steps here. I have changed quit equal to true. UI mode I am deleting. Check here, like user interface behavior actually controls the user interface behavior. Valid values are normal for full UI. Auto advance for simplified UI, something is saying, just I have removed that. Then third steps here, I will type anywhere we can type here, I accept SQL Server license terms equal to true. Anywhere we can type, I accept SQL Server license terms equal to true. So 3 changes I have made here. First one I have changed quit equal to true, false was there in the file. Later I have deleted this parameter completely. UI mode I have deleted completely. Then I accept SQL Server license terms equal to true. Okay. After that, next steps here, like we have to change instance ID and instance name. instance ID and instance name I am changing. Why? Because with that name already one instance is there in my laptop, in my machine. We can't install again with same name. That's why just I am changing the instance ID and instance name. We have options are there, manually we can change, or we can replace it with the existing name. Existing name we can replace here. What is the existing name is there here? HYD HYDPR SBI 01. See, HYDPR SBI 01 is it. This is the existing name. Let's say what I will do. I will go to top here. I will just replace it here. Replace. This is the existing name is here currently. So I will put some different names here. Okay. So let's say I'm saying HYD Metro something I'm saying, for example. Means what? With this name, one new instance is created with this name. Check one time with the SSMS or some other options whether this HYD Metro is already exist or not here. Browse for more database engine. It is not there here in my machine. That's why I can use this name, instance name. Okay. Replace all. Now here our file is ready. Save one time or save as. In desktop I am saving. Check here, our file is ready here. Change instance ID and instance name. So better to go to edit menu, replace option is it. So by using that option, you replace all the names which are there with old names are there. After that here, save the file. Then open SQL Server Installation Center by using setup. Go to advanced, select option install based on configuration file. Some option is there, we can click on this option. After that, select configuration file. Once you say open or OK, so immediately installation is started. Open or OK, immediately what? Installation is started. See. Sir, our file is ready. Just we'll open the setup.exe. In that I will mention the file. Check here, I will go to setup.exe. From command prompt also we can run the setup. I will show you both. Check here. Now this is our SQL Server Installation Center. Go to Advanced. Which option? Here first option is this here, install based on configuration file. Check here. Now I will select the file which is there on desktop. Okay. Previously here all these options are enabled. Once I say okay now, here all are disabled here. Options are disabled means immediately we can say installation is started. See, installation is started. After some time again all these options are enabled means installation is completed. Okay, so suppose let's say this is second instance. If one third instance, one more, which changes we have to make now? Only last ones here. Instance ID, instance name we have to change. Just run the setup. Means what? Like no need to type next, type next, type next time wasting. Just change instance ID, instance name, select there. Okay, installation is going on. We can do our other activities. Or by using this file, we can schedule the installation also. We can submit this file to Windows team. They can schedule the installation. So that today installation should be done today night 12 o'clock in 100 servers. 100 servers means they can schedule the installation in domain Active Directory server so that it can be installed in every machine. That is like what is the purpose of here configuration file is here. In the same way we can go to command prompt also. From command prompt here like installation is completed, it is saying in my machine very fastly. All are enabled here, options are enabled, installation is completed. Check one time the configuration file. Here see in SSMS we can see browse for more, database engine, instance is ready or not, instance is ready. HYD Metro we have selected. Okay. Connected, fresh instance here, no databases are there, only system databases are there. Fresh instance. Like I said, very fastly we can make the instance ready here. In the same way, from command prompt also if you want we can install. So first here like here see, here setup.exe is there in this folder. We can open this PowerShell command prompt or here I will copy this path where setup.exe is there. I will go to CMD, CD space, right click, is pasted automatically that path. Press enter, D colon. Why? Because I am in D drive. Sorry, setup is there in what? D drive. Now here I am in that path here where setup.exe is there. Right? So in the same path I am here where setup.exe is there. Now here we can run the setup like this here. Setup space configuration file is equal to that file path. Configuration file equal to that complete paths here. Okay, so absolutely like where is the, let's say my configuration file is there currently on desktops here. Desktop, this file path we have to mention complete path. Let's say like just I will put here in some other path anywhere MS SQL. So configuration file is there in the MS SQL folder. That folder path we have to mention slash that file name configurationfile.ini. Means once I press enter, immediately installation is started. Same thing. That's why same command, by using this command, our Windows team can make the installation automate. They can automate. Means what, this command they can schedule to run today night 12 o'clock, installation is completed, for example. But if I press enter now, installation will success or fail. If I press enter now, installation fail. Why? Because already with the same name instance is there in my machine. HYD Metro already instance is there. It will throw error. Where we can see the error in summary.txt file. One file is there, maybe I have shown previously. So in that file we can see the error. Suppose here, just for practice purpose to show you the error, I will press enter now. Next installation is started. This window open, installation is started. So immediately it will close if any error is there here. See, this installation progress also we can see in the same folder, setup bootstrap log folder. Progress also we can see currently what is happening, installation progress. Check here, generally whenever we run the setups here, in that here the first top window was closed. Again we are getting the cursor here. Means what? Installation was completed. Means either success or fail, we don't know, but completed. But to see whether it is success or fail, we can go to the same paths here, log folder. Log folder, this is the latest folders here. Just now, that's why whenever you run the setup, two folders are created. Start and end, two folders. This summary.txt file maintains the latest activity details, latest installation, latest upgradation, latest patch details, but these folders has the respective installation details. Check here, if I open summary.txt file, we have tried to install SQL Server, right? Requested action is install, but fail it is saying. Fail it is saying, very exit message is there. No features were installed during the setup execution. The requested features may only be installed. Please revive the summary.txt file for further details, it is saying. This is the summary.txt file currently we are in. If you go down here, error message is there here. The following is an exception, stack listing exception, something is saying. No features were installed. Preview the summary dot, same thing it is saying, this also. That's why again here in the each respective folder also, that installation, this folders here also summary.txt file is there here. Actually, by using this error number, we can identify. We'll see that other location it will be there. In information will be there, detailed information. This is previous installation. This is a step-by-step process what it is doing in the background. Installation step-by-step process. I think somewhere it is there already. Installation fail details in detail information. Check here, like we can, that is the main file is a summary.txt file. In the respective subfolders also we can see. So like this, like we can run the setups here from command prompt also. If want to run, so directly we have from SSM this installation center itself we can use this based on configuration file. This is how I have installed here SQL Server using this configuration file. These are the necessary changes we have to make first time in the configuration file. Password means mix mixed mode authentication or mixed mode authentication also we can use. We have to put one extra parameter SAPWD is equal to some password. SA password means if you have installed by using this configuration file, if you have installed SQL Server by using Windows authentication mode, it will success. If you have installed while practicing mixed mode authentication, and in that case here we have to mention actually SA password. And second one, if you have used some service account other than NT service something, default account it is taking, right, NT service slash something. So if you have used separate account as a service account, then we have to mention it's here SQL service account. This is we have to mention extra parameters also, SQL SVC password something, that extra parameters we have to mention. So in the same way, like here see authentication mode. Here I think in my installation authentication mode Windows is a SQL Server authentication mode. So we have, if it is mixed mode, while installation if you have selected mixed mode, we have to mention one more parameter SAPWD password. Password anywhere we can type. So otherwise what we can do, we can change to mixed mode authentication, Windows authentication while installing SQL Server. Somewhere it is there, authentication mode. So by default Windows authentication. Means all the parameters are there. Here service startup, total parameters are there. We have, I think I have installed it with Windows authentication. That's why parameter is not there. So otherwise we have that parameter. We have to use what, like either you can comment that parameter. So or we can mention SA password. That passwords we have to mention in the file, configuration file. Let's see how we are doing here command prompt installation or using configuration file, and after that we have checked that instance was ready, HYD metro. Okay, by using that command prompt installation we have done. Then next one, see this is like